information why we need to rename the local administrator. It's a basic concern. Why should I rename it? It's a local admin. It's very good for us, and we know every other. Yes, there is a malicious attack that attack on the end user systems, and they know the bot program is designed. They have to target the local administrator and try to break their password. Now what you need to do, you cannot disable that account, because if you disable, if the user is somehow trust is broken or something has happened, the user cannot log in. Anyhow you have to enable the administrator, but you have to avoid any sort of attacks. So infosec team or cyber security team clearly instruct that rename your all the domain joined client system local administrator to IT support admin, something like that. Now let's consider in my organization I have 40,000 users, right? Now 40,000 users manually rename, it's not at all possible. You have to prepare through a group policies. Now there is a problem. Problem is what? Through GPO settings, it can be achieved, but the lower latency sites, that cannot be done through GPO. Even the GPO is sometimes applying, but it is not getting renamed because the site is very latency. The site having latencies. In that case, you need to apply that area using PowerShell scripting. Got it? So both the techniques I will tell you, right? So first techniques using group policy. So first what you need to do, let's understand the concept, what exactly it is. Local administrator account rename using GPO. We are using basically two methods. Rename the built-in local administrator account on domain joined Windows computer to a standardized name such as IT local admin for security and administrative consistencies. Scenario: suppose the organization has domain.edutech.in and the OU servers server 01, 02, 03. The security team wants the default local administrator account to be renamed to IT local admin. This prevents administrator from relying on the predictable administrator username and provide the standardized local administrative account rename. Okay. Method 1. So traditional policies, native GPO policies. We'll create a good policy and then we will apply the settings, and you can expect it will solve your problem. But when I was in previous company and we have a very remote site where latency is very challenged, then we saw that it is not, the policies won't renaming that local administrator. As a result, there are many challenges. That are the sites we have achieved through PowerShell or VB script. So both the techniques I will tell you how to you can do it. Okay. For that, will everyone able to clear, right? Naveen, are you able to see my screen and you understand what I'm saying, right?
Yes, I can see it,
Ah,
Siddharth. I
great,
can see it.
great, perfect. Now what we need to do, first we will log into the domain controllers, and as you know, this is the default container. The group policy cannot be applied. However, you cannot see in that container through GPU. In that case, you create one custom OU. Okay, org_computer, and after that you move that to machine into org computer. Why I have done this, I'll show you. If I open gpmc.msc, expand your forest, expand your domain. Now from this console, will you be able to see the computer OU? Will you be able to see? I mean, no, na? No, right? Because it's a container. इसको दिखाई नहीं देगा, जीपीओ से उसको दिखाई नहीं देगा. ठीक है? तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, उसका अचीव करने के लिए हम लोग कस्टम ओयू बनना पड़ेगा। ओयू, देखो हम लोग यहाँ से ओयू बना दिया। अभी हम लोग पॉलिसी बनाएंगे। कैसे बनाएंगे? एक ग्रुप पॉलिसी ऑब्जेक्ट के यहाँ पे हम लोग न्यू पॉलिसी बनाएंगे। पॉलिसी का नाम दे दो, जैसा आपका नाम है नेम दे दो। अब now it's a matter of understanding which category these policies come. Is the user policy or is the computer policy? Obviously, renaming computer, it's a kind of computer setting. So in that case, what we can do now, right click, edit, go to computer configuration, policy, Windows settings, security settings. Then after local policy, security options. So here you will find out account rename administrator account. Okay, account rename guest account. All the options are available. So here we will click on it, and what exactly you want to rename. We want that all the machines, first of all I'm telling you right now, if you go to there, each machines, if you log in, type netspace user, see that administrator showing, right? That will be renamed, that will be, ये वाला अकाउंट रिनेम हो जाएगा। ठीक है, हियर अब यहीं पे आपको जो चीज आप डालना चाहते हो वो डाल दो और उसको अप्लाई मार दो, बस कहानी खत्म। रिफ्रेश मार दो और ये वाला आपको कहां लिंक करना पड़ेगा? आपको कंप्यूटर ओयू के साथ लिंक करना पड़ेगा। हो गया, राइट? अब इसमें एक सवाल आ रहा है। सवाल क्या है? ये सेटिंग करने के बाद मैं जीपी अपडेट फोर्स डालू यहाँ पे? नो, कोई मतलब ही नहीं है, क्योंकि ये जो ग्रुप पॉलिसी है ये पुल मेथड में काम करता है, यानी क्लाइंट से पुल होता है, सर्वर से नहीं, डोमेन कंट्रोलर से नहीं। तो आपको क्लाइंट में जाके ये चीज करना पड़ेगा। तो आप उसको शट डाउन मार दो। ओके, नाउ व्हाट वी नीड टू डू, आपने फिर से नेटस्पेस यूजर मार दो। देखो आपका जो लोकल एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर वो अकाउंट रीनेम हो चुका है, आईटी लोकल एडमिन। देख रहे हो? अब देख रहे हो? वाह, सेम चीज इसमें भी है, इसको भी आपने एक बार स्टार्ट गेस्ट में मार दो। और टाइप करो नेट स्पेस यूजर। वाह, चेंजेस। But this is your legitimate process. Don't you think that will works everywhere? Okay, that will works everywhere. But in remote site, it cannot be done through GPU. It will be done. You need to do it forcefully through PowerShell. That's I will show you on next class. Is that clear? Is that clear?
यस दादा।
तो देखो नेक्स्ट वीक में हम तो रहेंगे नहीं, हमारा ऑफिशियल ट्रिप है, उसका वाला नेक्स्ट वीक यानी कि 23 में तो 30 में मैं रहूंगा नहीं, 6 को मिलते हैं। और 6 में ना आप थोड़ा पढ़ के आओ, थोड़ा हम मॉक इंटरव्यू टाइप लेंगे, ठीक है? एक वीक आपको मिल रहा है, थोड़ा मॉक भी हो जाएगा, नॉलेज भी थोड़ा ब्रश अप हो जाएगा, ठीक है? और इस चीज को, इस प्रैक्टिकल को हम एग्जीक्यूट करेंगे थ्रू पावरशेल। দেবাঞ্জন, ত্রিদীপ ঠিক আছে? কোনো অসুবিধা?
না,
গ্রেট।
ঠিক আছে দাদা।